Bistro at WCTC. I'm Tricia Smith, hospitality instructor, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a basil blood orange mocktail. First, we're going to start with a clean and sanitized area. You want to have all of your equipment and your ingredients ready. So if you want to make this drink at home, what you will need is 1 whole blood orange, 1/2 of a fresh lime. We are going to also put in some basil. We have our simple syrup, club soda, and we have our glass ready to go with our ice cubes and a slice of that beautiful blood orange. Some of the equipment we're using today is a cutting board with a sharp knife. We have a juicer, we have our Boston shaker, we have our jigger to measure, and then we also have our muddler, and this is going to help us express the oils out of the leaves of the basil and the juices from the fruit. And then we have a Hawthorne strainer. You could use whatever strainer you have at home. Something that looks like this. If you don't have a muddler, you could use the back of a wooden spoon. Whatever you have that would work, so you don't have to invest in some equipment. So we're going to start by juicing our lime right into the tin of our Boston shaker. So we're going to squeeze that in there. We're going to grab about 5 basil leaves and put that in the bottom of our tin. And we're going to muddle that so that we get the oils out of there and we can really taste that in this beautiful drink with our blood oranges. So you can see the bright ruby colors of this blood orange. We're going to throw chunks of it in there. It doesn't matter how you cut it up. The goal is just to get the fruit squeezed so that the juices and the oils from the rind combine together. The blood oranges are in season from December until April. So this is a great time to make a drink like this. We're going to add in a scoop of ice. So you can see some of the juices that are in the bottom of that tin. We're going to add in our club soda. And we're going to add in about 1/2 ounce of simple syrup to sweeten this up. If you want to use local honey, you could do that instead. Simple syrup, you want to take equal portions of white sugar and water and put it in a saucepan. Heat that up until the sugar dissolves and then wait for that to chill down a little bit before you put that into your mocktail or your cocktail. If you want to turn this into a cocktail, you can add your favorite spirit and that would work out really well. So we take our pint glass, put it on an angle for our tin, give it a little tap so there's a nice seal in there, and then give it a good shake. You can feel the tin getting a little colder as you shake it with all that ice in there. So now to break the seal, you want to line up where your pint glass and your tin come together and just a 1/4 turn from there. Give it a little tap. You just want to break the seal so you can easily get that glass off. We're going to take our Hawthorne strainer and put that right on top of our prepared glass with our ice cubes, our slice of blood orange, and we're going to garnish that with some fresh basil and a straw and enjoy. So you could come to WCTC's website at wctc.edu. We also have a Facebook page, the Classic Room and Bistro. Check out our programs. You can learn this and many more skills here in the Bistro. Thank you.